Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome. I am Omar Muhammad Omar Abubaker. aka Omar Abubaker. I am Fulani from Sudan. I'm a Fulani from Sudan. I welcome you to our Fulani channel, which is with the name Fulani Tale. We gonna show you in this channel our culture, our culture, our dialect, language, full day, our ethic, okay, our behavior as a Fulani tribe, of the Fulani tribe. I welcome you, my brother and sister, from the whole world. I'm from Africa, precisely, especially from Africa, from Cameroon, from Nigeria, from Niger, Senegal, Mauritania, Guinea-Bissau, Mali, from Sudan. Welcome you to this great channel, inshallah. It will be a great channel, bismillah. I will introduce. I'm gonna introduce our thought, our thinking, our philosophy as a Fulani from Sudan. It's connected with our great and holy religion, Islam. I'm a Muslim, but before I'm a Muslim, I'm a human being. I'm a human being. You got to know that. I love all humanity. Okay? Of all the tribes, Fulani, Hausa. Here in Sudan, we have Jalis and many of tribes, Arab tribes, Afro tribes, Dinka, all of that. We got Nuba, Mahas, all sort of tribes, Danagla, etc. Okay, plenty of them, plenty.